always suspicious that anyone you meet works for Emperor Nefarious?
Pretty much everyone I meet does work for Emperor Nefarious.
Ah, a fair point.
Ones. 1,000,000% sure rifts opened over here. You'll definitely find the bots.
See the bot over on that platform on the right, past the broken bridge.
There must be a way to reach it.
What is this? Кстати.
We have reached the bot platform, but the functional bot is in the intact dimension.
Right. We're missing something.
Потому что оно сранит там, что надо красиво.
Oh, the crane moved the crystal.
This may bring us one step closer to reaching the bot.
Nossa. Yes, son. Está sagrado.
Dimensional something or other. It'll ruin the safety record.
Engaging charming accent.
Yeehaw! What are y'all doing here? Learning chief engineer with an important message.
Oh, Sam, always trying to find herself. One step closer to figuring out this message. That's all of them. Thanks. Come back to my survey station. Let's see what the little bots picked up from the other side.
What the fuck? Ai da mãe.
Proximity warning. Hazardous life forms detected. Facility security lockdown engaged.
So nice.
Don't worry. I designed the security system myself. Except that motion trackers are saying they're inside the house. Room. Me. The ceiling. always forget to look up.
Saat çocuk.
What the heck is that thing?
Location unknown. Life form unknown.
Czekaj.
Protocol destroy.
A gift from my dimension to yours. Now I'm gonna reduce it to scrap metal.
How am I supposed to unlock the secrets of a shattered dimension when these things keep scratching my mining side?
The Emperor will hear of this.
Was it in the manual?
Oh dear, we are alarmingly outnumbered here.
Native life forms no longer detected. Security wall disarmed. Thank you, and have a blazing Blizzard day.
Okay, fine a second. Gonna take a little longer to decode this message. But you guys can use the drill. Jim will take you there.
Asta da o küçük detay. Detaylık.
Hello, are you my new best friend?
Ai astas.
Sure?
Happy noises.
Ei
I
asta.
will take you to our phase quartz extracting drill in the name of friendship.
Ah, perfetto.
That can't be good.
That dimensional anomaly is identical to the one we saw on Sargasso.
Good. That means you can deal with it.
As your best friend, I must warn you that dimensional integrity could have affected the drill.
What's that mean?
As your best friend, I do not want you to worry, so I will not expound at this time. Instead, impromptu music.
I can't authorize drill usage until the blockage in that tube is cleared.
We should go for karaoke after this. Do you like karaoke, best friend? I will dislike it.
Ok.